What programming language should I learn? Should I learn Python? Should I learn C++? Should I learn Java? Should I learn iOS or Swift? Should I learn all of them and just keep them all on my resume? Well, let's take a deeper look into this situation. So there is some disparity when listing the resume languages. So in your resume, you have the option of adding following languages. You can say I learned C++, C, Java, Python, R, etc. and so on. So for me, what I do is, and what I suggest is, if you want to really impress your interviewer, make 3 columns. Make it expert or proficient, and make it intermediate. Make it familiar, a beginner. And what you do is basically, you just add these languages in here. So I can say I'm an expert in C++ and C, I'm very good. And in Python, I'm really good. In Java, I would say I'm an intermediate person. JavaScript, I'm very good as well. And for R, I would say I'm intermediate. And some basic stuff like familiar, I'm familiar with, let's say, Erlang, and many other languages, Ruby on Rails, etc. So you can say, you can divide based on this constraint. This is very impressive and actually makes you look as an honest person when applying for these job interviews. Hey guys, I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos and if you want to watch more, or want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a likes up and subscribe.